also good. Hi friends, I'm Ridhima. Welcome to our favorite kids DIY channel. And today is a lovely weather and I'm going to tell you how to make quick and easy bookmarks. So let's start. All we need is a strong sheet of paper from which we can make strong cutouts and stickers, some sketch pens, a fevistick, some cutouts. And I've also made a big cutout for my encyclopedia. I'll show you how to write a beautiful code behind the bookmark. Noting. It's a wonderful code. It says make your dreams happen. So I will show you how to decorate by sticking mermaids and seashells on them. So first I'm taking this. This is looking adorable. I have this book. I'm putting this bookmark in this page so I can remember on which page am I. Days I love to read books and they make me knowledgeable, and when I put bookmarks in them, the next day they make me remember on which page was I. So I'm taking this. Every child is an artist. Similarly, you can put this seashell over here also. And stick a starfish on top of it. So it's looking 3D. Now I'm taking a big bookmark for my encyclopedia and I'm sticking mermaid cutouts because it's a mermaid tail. So taking the seashell and putting it over here. Big bookmark for my encyclopedia is ready. I was reading the page American Desert, and this big bookmark will help me find out where I left. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos.